Hello all, welcome to Mapog. In the realm of modern infrastructure development, finding the balance between progress and environmental preservation is important. And in this instance, the buffer tool has great significance. In the case of pipeline routes, a buffer tool can create a buffer zone extending out to a specific distance along pipeline routes, revealing insights crucial for identifying potential environmental impacts. This helps us to identify sensitive areas that could be impacted by the pipeline operation. Let's take a closer look. Open Map Analysis interface from Mapog. Click on Add Upload and select Add GIS Data. Select the country. Find out and add pipeline data. Click on the pencil icon and save the map with a suitable name. Now let us delineate the potential impact area. For this, click on Process Data and select the buffer tool. Select the layer and enter a range of your preference. Click on Submit. Now, buffer zone has been created. By clicking on the action, rename the layers with appropriate names. Click on Style Data and select Basic Style. Choose the layer and style it with suitable color gradient for their easy identification. Finally, we have created a map that delineates the area around pipelines, which is valuable for identifying and assessing potential environmental impacts. This knowledge enables environmental conservationists, communities, and pipeline operators to implement measures to minimize harm and promote sustainability. Thus, the buffer tool becomes a key instrument in our mission to balance progress with environmental responsibility. Discover a diverse range of use cases in our channel and explore our more products. Thanks for joining us. For any queries, reach out to us at support@mapog.com.